Hello friends, welcome back to the new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to enable auto brightness in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to enable your auto brightness mode, so guys how can you enable it? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys and guys you are watching my video first time, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to enable your auto brightness, and guys how can you use your auto brightness mode? In this video I will also tell you. So friends, you can see this type of settings. So friends, scroll it and guys you can see display and brightness. So friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys your auto brightness mode setting, and guys you want to guys your brightness, guys, you want to increase and decrease, so you can increase and decrease from here. And guys you want to enable your auto brightness, so friends you can enable from here. So guys you can see guys, after enable guys, brightness increase automatic. So guys you can use guys your auto brightness guys, it will increase and decrease automatic when you will go outside and inside, it will cover automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable auto brightness in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in next video. Bye friends.